Come on, bro. You ain't got one yet? You ain't got a PS5 yet?
Y'all did.
Ooh. You already know what's about to go down. Yeah. These motherfuckers so clean. Sheesh. Damn, them bitches so clean. I had to get these. 150 for some one, can't beat it. If I would have got them off Nike.com though, it would have been like an extra 20% off. But I got these off Hibbit. But man, I'm definitely loving these right here. These is for the feet. Yeah, them joints is better.
Y'all did.
Man, you already know what these is. You might not know what you pair, but now you know. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Show you everything. See what's going on here.
Eastside
Bitch
high.
ass pro wanna make all that noise like he ain't got nowhere else to go. Yeah, them ones clean. Oh my gosh. So we got the you know, the turf, whatever. Wow. Got the Eastside golf man right there, you know.
Play something.
Man, these joints so fire. Some people might not like them, but I mean, I buy what I like. I don't buy what y'all think is hype or. Yeah, this is a collab, but I actually like 12's. If you know me and you seen my collection, you'll know that I got a pile of 12's. Yeah, these joints fire. Sheesh. Yeah, them joints. Oh my god.
Ooh,
Yeah,
Lord.
they legit. Well, shut your ass up. Yeah, they legit. Oh my.
Fair Eastside. Fair Eastside. By thy side will stand and always praise thy name. Praise thy name, praise thy name. Together, yeah. Lend a heart, sing hands to help increase thy fame. Ooh, Lord, the honor, yeah, of old Eastside, calls forth our loyalty. Loyalty, so cheap.
All right, goddamn.
Praise that name, praise that name. Loyalty, loyalty. Ooh, Lord. Loyalty, loyalty. Praise that name, praise that name. Loyalty, loyalty. Loyalty, loyalty.
All right.